I'm here. I'm sort of hiding because I wanted to record this video. I don't have a lot of time between days off and the back to school, and we have a trip that is planned. We are flying and we're going to Denver. The kids have no idea. They have no idea, and they will not know until the night before because I don't like to tell them. I don't want them to be asking me all day, every day, until the day. When are we leaving? When are we leaving? Are we leaving tomorrow? So no, to avoid that, I rather just let them know the night before, just like we did for spring break. Anyways, so for this trip, we're taking a flight with Spirit Airlines. If you have traveled with them before, you know the restrictions are very restricted. If you know what I mean. So we are taking a personal item each one to avoid the fees for the luggage. And the reason why I like them to carry their own luggage is because if I pack everything together, then once we get to the destination, they're going to be asking me, where is my stuff? Where's my underwear? Where's my pants? So I'd rather just have them have their stuff packed in their own backpacks. So for this trip, I bought these backpacks from Kohl's. They were a regular price, $40, but they are, since it's back to school, they were $19.99. I got several colors. And what I like about this is that it meets the requirements for the personal item for Spirit Airlines. These are 17.5 by 12 by 7.5. If you want to know how I pack for the kids, for each one, stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I do it. So don't forget to like, comment on this video to be able to participate for the giveaway. It's almost time to announce the winner, so but you still have time to subscribe, so don't forget to subscribe. Let me show you how I pack. So this is what we're taking, and the inside, this is how it looks, and it's kind of wide. It has a pocket here, and then also has a pocket here, and it's got the pockets on the side for the water bottle. So let's get started before they come and catch me recording this video. So I have printed this packing list off of the internet, and this one I printed for myself. I have the laundry upstairs and the kids' rooms are upstairs as well, so I am getting everything ready. So from the Dollar Tree, I got these bath sponges, and I also got the shower caps. A few months ago, I got these containers and spray bottles from Wish, and I like them because they take very little space and I can transfer any liquid. These are pencil cases from Pottery Barn Kids. I got a while back for the boys to carry their toiletries. I like to bring this hanger from the Dollar Tree, and or anybody can hand the towels, and we use the clothespin to identify our towels. I also like to bring a pillowcase to use as a hamper at the hotel. I like to do a load before we come back. And I also like to carry this pocket mesh to hang in the showers for the bath sponges or toiletries. And I also have this mesh so I don't lose any socks when I do the laundry. So here I'm going to show you how I pack one of the kids. I'm going to be packing Ethan's, and he has 3 t-shirts, he has 3 pants, he has 4 underwears, he's got his swimsuit, and he also has his toiletry bag where I put his toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, his glasses, wipes, toothpicks, a comb, sponge, and also he has his clothespin with his name that he will be using to put in his towel to identify the towel at the hotel. And he also has a band-aid. They all have a band-aid. I don't know why, but they have a band-aid. For the liquids, I'm going to leave them outside so it's easier at the airport. And then I'm going to be packing his clothes in this bag. So first I'm going to start with the t-shirts, then I'm going to put the pants, and on top I'm going to put the socks, and I'm going to try to use all the space that's available. And I'm also going to put his toiletry bag inside this compression bag. I will put the compression bag inside his backpack, and later I will add his flip-flops and a hat. So every time that we travel, we wear jeans, the sneakers, our jackets, and anything that takes more space. As you can see, they will all have room available for their games, tablets, headphones, whatever they want to bring to entertain themselves. It's my turn now, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to bring for this trip. I have 2 shorts, I have 3 tops, and I like to wear the tops with this material that is soft and doesn't get wrinkles. 1 pajama, bras, swimsuit, cover up. I have my socks and underwear. And I like to bring this from when I wash my hair. And I also have a hat. And I have my toiletry bag from Vera Bradley. In here I have my makeup brushes. And I also have my clothespin with my name, and I honestly do not know where I got this idea from, but it works. And I also have my hair ties. I have the Sharpie to identify drinks. And on the other side of the bag, I put my facial wash, so I don't have to carry liquid. So this is the Olay wipes. And I also have the eye makeup remover from Olay, the Q-tips. They have the liquid already in there. Shower cap. I have dental floss. And I have my razor with this clip in case I miss the cap, and the pumice stone. And I have feminine products just in case, and also bring a Tide Pod and a dryer sheet. And I will also put my deodorant in there. I just bought it today and I lost it. And also I have the liquids in a separate bag. I have room spray for the bathroom, mouthwash, facial cream, sunblock for the face, are all like trial sizes, and shower gel, sunblock, stress relief lotion, and those I will put at the front of the bag so it's easier at the airport. And I also carry my wet ones, flushable wipes, and Lysol wipes to disinfect, remote control, toilet seats, the food tray from the airplane, and all that. I like to bring my purse, and inside the purse I'm going to put my cosmetics bag. I like to carry as little as possible when it comes to makeup. So inside I have foundation, powder, primer, and setting spray. I have a little lipstick, palette for eyeshadow. I have a highlighter, contour, my eyeliner, mascara. So when I said little, I refer to size, not quantity. So then I want to put that cosmetic bag from Vera Bradley. I'm going to put it inside my purse. And now we are ready to start packing. We're going to start with the tops. Then I'm going to put the pants, the swimsuit, the cover up, the pajamas, the underwear, and everything. And I'm going to try to use any empty spaces. And I also want to try to put the toiletry bag inside the compression bag. Now everything is inside. I'm going to put it inside the backpack. and I want to protect my purse, so I'm gonna put it in this bag and then put it inside the backpack. Now I'm gonna add my small flat iron that I'm still debating whether if I want to bring it or not, and I also still need to bring my round brush. I have to add the hat and my flip-flops, and like I said, I'll be wearing my sneakers, and I still have to put in there my umbrella. I have a small umbrella that I always like to carry with me, but I'll probably put it in one of the boys' backpacks since they don't have as much as I have. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, comments, let me know down below, and don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. So you have till today to subscribe to participate from the giveaway. Tomorrow we'll announce the winner.